In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide your Wayfair experience by adjusting your web browser settings to control notifications. Whether you're new to managing notifications or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will ensure you have the Wayfair notifications set up just the way you like. So, let's dive right in. First, let's start by opening your web browser. Once your browser is up and running, you'll want to locate the three vertical dots at the top right corner of your screen. These dots are your gateway to the browser's settings menu. Clicking on them reveals a drop-down menu with several options. Next, you'll want to click on the Settings option. This will take you to the main settings page of your browser. Here you'll find various categories for personalizing your browsing experience, but for our purposes, we're going to focus on just one aspect: privacy and security. Click on this category to access additional settings related to how your browser handles various privacy aspects, including notifications. Once you're in the Privacy and Security section, look for an option labeled Site Settings. Clicking on Site Settings will lead you to a new page where you can manage permissions for all the websites you visit. These permissions include cookies, pop-ups, and importantly, notifications. Now it's time to locate the Notifications section within the Site Settings. Once you find it, click on Notifications. This will bring up a list of websites that have requested permission to send you notifications. It's a handy way to visualize and manage which sites can reach out to you with alerts and updates. As you look at this list, navigate to the tab labeled Not Allowed to Send Notifications. This is the spot where you can specifically block sites from sending notifications altogether. It's a useful tool to keep unwanted pings at bay and maintain your focus. The final step in our journey is to allow Wayfair to send notifications if you choose. To do that, click on the Add button, which allows you to specify a website you wish to permit. In the text box that appears, type in wayfair.com. By doing this, you're granting Wayfair permission to send notifications your way, ensuring you stay up to date with the latest offers and updates. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully navigated your browser settings to manage notifications, paying particular attention to Wayfair. This setup ensures you're in control of which notifications reach you, helping you maintain a personalized browsing experience. Thank you for following along, and we hope this guide makes your Wayfair browsing even better. Keep exploring and happy shopping!